Welcome to 60 Seconds with Catch. We're going to talk about jobbing the extension. Every job is not as clean as this one. And a lot of job sites, you might get mud or something in the bottom of the coupling here, and you might not notice it. And every now and then, I get a call from somebody where they twisted one in two because they missed the bolt hole. And you'd think you're not dumb enough to miss that bolt hole, but every now and then somebody does. But there's a simple test for that, and that's by jobbing the extension. Just give it a little yank. And the reason I call it jobbing an extension is I was in North Carolina one time and saw the guy give it the little pull, and I said, well, I appreciate you remembering that from your training. And he said, yeah, we call that jobbing the extension. And I said, why do you call it that? And he said, well, we had a guy that didn't do it one time. It broke the anchor and it cost him his job. So always remember, job the extension. Thanks.